Door open.
Hi, my name is Karlis Praulins. I'm the area sales manager with Aiphone, and I cover Central and Eastern Canada. For those not familiar with Aiphone, Aiphone is a security communications company, an access control company. We've been doing this for over 75 years. And where we're at today is we're at a mixed-use building here in Burlington, Ontario. I'm also with Stefan, who is our Ontario System Sales Specialist, and Panos, who is with Infinity Systems Canada, one of our great integrators that did this install here. And today we're going to show you an install with our Aiphone IXG Series and our AC Series. And this is our telephone entry system and access control platform.
Hi everybody, I'm Panos from Infinity Systems Canada. Welcome to Times Square. This property is a mixed-use building with residential and commercial units. They approached me over a year ago in regards to upgrading their older analog system. And after seeing their concerns and what they wanted to do, we were able to do a natural fit with the Aiphone IXG system and the AC access control, as it'll allow the customer to remotely manage everything as they do not have an on-site property manager. This was the bonus feature for the customer. So let's come on inside and I'll show you how everything works. Over here is our IXG control unit. Inside this unit, we have ourselves a video camera, and we have our card reader and our touch screen. The nice thing with our touch screen is you just touch it once. You can either enter the tenant's unit, or you can enter the tenant's name. You put your thing in, they call you the answer, and on the other end, the tenant will just let you in. The other nice advantage of using the Aiphone product is they thought of every aspect of entrance into the building, meaning this device here is what's called our Postal lock. In this area in particular, Canada Post has a key that every driver has that walks around. They put their key in here, they turn the key, and it allows them access into the lobby to deliver the mail to the tenants. With the IXG series from Aiphone, all we need to do is we can just touch the screen. I've had myself entered into the system under test when we were testing this unit. You push the tenant that you want to talk to, it dings, and then it shows up on your phone. And then all we have to do is we answer it, and then we push 9.
Door open.
And we unlock the door for our guests. So we're outside right now on Times Square parking lot, and this is a guest entry unit. It's the IXG unit. It survived all of this wonderful winter that we had. And as you can see, a visitor shows up, they touch the screen, they can call you from the inside. When you unlock this one, you open up the overhead door and your visitors can go park in the underground parking. One of the advantages of using the Aiphone AC access control system is the ability to integrate different style readers into the system to accomplish certain tasks. Right now, we're in an underground parking that we made all the tenants accessibility to the underground parking a lot easier by using an RFID tag on the windshield and a long-range reader. Follow me. As the tenant is driving down, the door automatically opens up and they seamlessly just drive right through.
Today, security companies are delivering complex and impressive projects. But very often, no one outside the project ever sees them. Security integrators build systems for schools, offices, warehouses, and residential buildings. But showing that experience to future clients can be harder than delivering the project itself. At Pipl Systems, we help integrators turn real installations into professional case study videos. We come to the site, speak with your team, capture the system in action, and turn the project into a clear and engaging story. These case study videos help your future clients understand how your team solves real security challenges. You can use them in meetings, proposals, on your website, and in sales presentations. The content is created under your brand and can be used across your marketing and sales channels. We also share selected projects through the Pipl Systems media platform with professionals across the security industry. If your company delivers great projects and you want the market to see your expertise, we'll help you tell that story. Pipl Systems, real projects, real stories, real security.
Here we are in the P1 level of the Times Square building, where our IXG unit is located in the elevator lobby. Another nice function of this unit is the screen goes blank when it's not in use. Once it detects motion, it will light up, it'll give us our screen. Then we present our fob to the reader, and we've integrated this IXG with a door opener. If the tenant has multi-bags in their hands, all they have to do is literally just present their fob to the door. The door opens up, and then they can walk in freely into the lobby. Let me bring you into the main room for our communication, where all our devices are and head-end equipment are located. This job was a complete retrofit. We removed an analog system and incorporated the new digital IXG panels and the access control system. We open it up here. We have 6 readers right now that are installed and working and controlling the building, with the ability to add many more. Over here we have our PABX system that gives us the communication to the IXGs, and then we have our gateway. The purpose of our gateway is the building here does not have an on-site property manager. There's nobody here on site that is able to provide the new tags, the new RFID tags for the cars, or to enter the phone numbers into the IXG system. The gateway allows us to enable the system to go into the cloud, where the property manager, who is actually 20 kilometers away, can log into their computer, log into our systems, and update all the client's information, the tenant's information, retail or residential, at any time. So one of the major points of going with the Aiphone product into this building was the expandability and the ease of use for extras that they were requiring. So right now the tenant, we're in P1 and P2, they want to put the emergency stations throughout the underground parking to assist the tenants if an emergency ever came up. The other phase is to lock stairwell doors, to be able to control the flow of traffic from the P1 to P2 to the main lobby. And we're also going to be installing the same access control on the rooftop, so the tenants aren't up on the rooftop all day long, and you can control the access going in and out of the rooftop. So not only do we have all the nice fancy readers that are built into the IXG system, the long-range readers, this is our standard Aiphone door reader. Present your card, unlock the door, let's come in. So choosing the right partner is very key to launching a system similar to what we did with the Aiphone. Stefan was instrumental into the deployment of the system, as he did come to the site the day that we were going to launch everything and activate all of our readers to help us make sure that there were no bugs in the system, that the building would be down for a long period of time. My personal choice is I always like to use somebody that I can call and they pick up their phone, and Karlis and Stefan are those two kinds of guys that will always pick up their phone for an integrator like myself.
So with Aiphone, we have a lot of integrations with a number of partners throughout the security industry. Big partners include Genetec, Avigilon, Milestone, Software House, a bunch of different types of integrations with access control, video, and just inputs and outputs to make sure that your system is secure and ready to go.
And in addition, what Panos mentioned about with the AiphoneCloud, now you can install and program and manage the system anywhere in the world. So it's really the next generation of Aiphone, and we're really excited to share it with you all. So with Aiphone here, if you're an end user, if you're an integrator, if you're a consultant, and you're looking for support on building an intercom or an access control system, please reach out to your local Aiphone support. We have support all throughout North America, so pick up your phone, send an email to one of your local reps, and we'll be able to help you out.